with that St. Mary. St. Mary with there, St. Mary with St.
Oh, Mr. Be careful, you know. Yeah, man, yeah, careful.
Yeah. Blessings. Rastafari curry again, you know. 9 morning in the country. Yeah.
So, Parry, we done a yard there with Jason. Jason, I go, we are going to roast piece of yam. Yeah. Uncle Murphy, you see the size of the yam? We can't find bow shoe if we come to bar one about shoe pot. But we soon find him. So, Parry, Jason. Jason, you always with the wish party dark. We make it alright. Let me see, Jason will catch a fire for me now. We are going to roast yam. We have one 50 piece of yam here, you know, Uncle Murphy, show them it.
See it?
Then see it, the dog going to look like make them see it in the yard, Uncle Murphy, how big it is, no man. This is a serious piece. Why you don't want to take it up?
This is a nice piece
This
of
is
yellow
a
yam.
beautiful piece of yellow yam.
See it?
Yeah, just cut in, you see it?
Just cut.
No fertilizer, you see it though?
See it?
Yep, so our lunch today, that's our lunch. Yes. You should have started about lunch already. But just come with the yam and he might catch a cold for me. Oh God, I want to sleep. Anytime I come to country, I never get to sleep. I want to sleep. Honestly, I do want to sleep. And I sleep. You turn on the AC. Oh, you don't.
Auntie Levy,
Oi.
you see, when we pack it cool them, we pack fine and we pack big. You know why? Because the little one is supposed to find cool them.
But me always I get the little one them. Why?
Because we don't treat the cool them like a cool. We treat them like, you know, we have to treat them like a
like
cool.
What? You don't treat them like a cool, you treat them like a cool.
It's like how
You're more too sweet.
When you
you hold me half bag of cool.
When you hold them, you throw down the bag all the way there. Anything you drop your bag, so it a powder out.
But me I try to tell us a peer powder me get.
But no worry yourself. You can go up a yard same way. And you get cool. Yeah, then cool it fine.
Yeah, I pee on the second bag that and I see anything.
I'm so sorry. I'm very, very, very sorry.
So, when the fire catch Parry and the yam ready for gone, we catch you back in the next clip. Still can't find bow shoe. Okay, now Parry, this is what we're talking about when we were planting the yam, our yam. When you plant the yam and hungry belly, it becomes hollow. So Jason, this piece is connected to here, so right?
Yes, yeah.
Right, see there? So we had to take off this piece here.
Somewhere along the line.
Yeah. So we hope if one comes, that's why we did full with belly. That is what we're talking about. Because when I just, right. We said to, and you see, you will know this until you open it out. So when I said, Jason, how comes the yam? I say, Auntie, look like any plant it on hungry belly. So them are some little something, there's some little long time thing, them, but them true. Comment you all. Where your father and your grandfather used to plant yam, plant it on the hungry belly and the yam come along. But any you, we are going to fill our belly with this. And look at here, Parry, look at them size yellow yam where them are producing a St. Mary without no fertilizer. So next clip, the yam will be turning. Yeah, okay, man. Jason?
Blessings.
All right. So, all right, the beautiful bride is here. And all of that. Jackar. So the whole family is here today. And all of that. So we're doing business, but Boshu is absent. So Paris, the yam there, man. Roast yam, but it takes time. It takes a lot of time. And the amount of cold done if you chew, you know. Yeah, so we soon put on the saltfish. And when the saltfish and the scraping are gone, we get back to you. So Uncle Murphy, it's roast yam.
Roast yam and saltfish.
And what curry?
Water.
And butter.
Water.
For lunch. And curry, don't tell them where you're at. Don't tell them where you're there. Don't tell them which part we're there. Oh. No, them can't know right now where we're standing. Yes. Right, Uncle Murphy?
Okay.
It's a secret. Yeah. Hold on there. So, Parry, Uncle Murphy, I scrape yam. Lunch really bad today. Curry, I eat black. I boil up yam. Curry, that's even black talk. Yeah. Saltfish the gone on yet and we there. We are starved, but and we have one new workman him inside that do some work. Him and dad I sort out something with him. So, dad I deal with a part of it. They call that dirty. See him there? Dirty like a bus. How you dirty, sir, Dad? You mean dad a pain? You're working? You just working or you're working?
My God.
Yeah. So that inside him, we get a new workman, Parry, and him there do some inside work for we. And we are go work with him for him continue. Yeah, so roast yam, roast salty, but the yam a scrape, but you find, say Dwayne come with the rest of yam, yeah. So what you say? See the real deal, yeah, this a 10 pound. The scale a right, teacher? Yes, 10 pound. I feel the yam, yeah. Yes. Papa Jesus, have mercy. The yam then solid parry. Yeah. Then solid. Fertilizer yam no be stuff you know, Corey. Alright, put it on our ground, do it. Make we got that money when we do. I champion farmer the seed of parry and I did Jason best man too.
Real man.
Yeah,
real
you
man.
can't yell at the parry them.
Yeah man, big up yourself. Man.
Yeah, I'm a big farmer and I place this, you know. When I dare more go around, I'll give you a little for come one look see what I do.
Definitely.
You say strong? You know say strong? You say thick?
Natural.
What do you think, Jason thick, you know? Are some strong man around here, you know? Yo, Uncle Murphy, you see that? Uncle Murphy, there's some strong man up here.
Yeah, natural.
Alright, in a party, rain run when we in a front porch. Yeah. With the summer right there. So Uncle Murphy, I can give them a close up on the roast. Yes. Uncle Murphy, I deal with the roast about saltfish. Corey, show them the butter. If we don't take out the plate, it look like we are getting no food today. Butter and plate and we are use with hand. Yeah. Dad and the workman, they pan the back there right there. So them in the sauce out door. And all of that. Yeah. So, say Uncle Murphy sit down here, so see belly then tuck it in. Tuck it belly. And saltfish there is and yam. So we are wait now.
Yeah,
we get the yam warm and the butter go pan it and melt. Saltfish and we are going to hold it with curry water.
Where you do the knife?
I don't know where knife now. A time for yam scrape now, you know, Uncle Murphy. But yam the curry, yam. It look like a knife left around it. No, in around there. Alright. In the dark. Uncle Murphy?
Scrape yam.
Yeah, Uncle Murphy scraping the yam. Powerful piece of yam. He said the yam powerful like the farmer we produce it, Uncle Murphy. Yes, master. That's why countryman ain't so strong, you know. Corey, lunch is coming on, boy. But then it says, I today, you know much we eat when we are going to our country, Uncle Murphy. I know money for roast yam and saltfish and butter, you know.
Yeah, man.
A whole heap of money. So far when Uncle Murphy done, lad, and it get warm up back and lad that and we make the butter pan it. I know say somebody mount of water, I no comment. All of them things there go on because the man go there with them yellow yam when them come in a curry. Have the good yam them forget, you know. And free one might have beer too in a jackor. Because we never plan for one pan hungry belly, you know. Yes, man. Because what for food we eat over there nearly roll your gully, you know.
Yes, man. Yes, man.
Next clip, party. So, yam is ready. So, like you do want to soak, look on Murphy, Uncle Murphy, but I know nothing much. Corey?
You can't eat, man.
Yes, we no must after Uncle Murphy, what you say? You know how long?
Can't eat.
You know how long we don't wait for the food? If you can't eat, we don't ask it if you can't eat. That eat, we are going to eat it.
I go eat.
Yeah, with the butter, the curry, me think you have to go. Oh, Parry, the workman did us with him tool. Come on, Uncle Murphy, come. Hot, yeah. Ooh, how far one that? So I can't want smell it one that I have to share. Korean, go take off this curry. Put on the butter. Uncle Murphy wipe off the knife and slap on the butter right away.
Put on the madam. So me have it in this already.
Boy, curry. You see the eat, boy?
Yes, sir.
Like that.
Put some in this Uncle Murphy. Yeah, white coffee. Parry, we have no whole table inside here. Different business with the pan in there. Put on the butter, make the butter run, man. Curry, you watching calories?
Yes, sir.
You not watch none. We not watch none. So we are near butter. People ain't still look at butter. Them say, ooh, that's a lot of calorie. Uncle Murphy put him on calorie. Hungry, we hungry. Oh, yeah, come on, man.
Sweet and butter.
Yes, and the saltfish I want up curry. Cut that into two, Uncle Murph.
Yeah, you can cook again.
Yeah, man. No, Uncle Murph, no, hold in your hand. Cut in a big plate down there, so. My Uncle Murphy, my making drop a ground in a Kevin drop, I've got to keep brush him off.
Yeah, no drop out there.
You know, Uncle Murphy, man. Man, you lose the work, you know. Chum, man. But time up some more, man.
Go time up some more.
Yeah, but time up. Worry, don't want more butter. I have my pieces, you know.
Yeah.
Keenan, I want piece of yam and saltfish.
No, man, I'm going to eat, man.
No, man, we have enough here for you, man.
Alright.
Come, man, we are chat, say, well, we born and grow yourself. We are dealing, man.
Alright,
We have enough. I 7 pounds of yam, Rose, you know. Think we are on brown here with the yam. Alright, batter him up. Batter him up. Eh?
That's it. If you want more butter on that.
Curry, the lunch took long, but it was worth it. Curry, I wasn't getting my brother the yam from Mr. Parry. I tell you, man. You come talk about, you know, do it, do. Done. Man. See saltfish there, show me saltfish there. Oh, come on, baby. Saltfish. Oh, boy. Butter grown like engine conny.
Take up the saltfish.
Scrape it off for me, Uncle Murphy, but look at him. Wait. No, sir. Me not go home tonight to your Uncle Murphy. Me want more yam for roast.
Roast yam and rain a fall.
We roast yam and eat yam. When you say about yam yam there, I don't tell me I work on that for me. I mean, can't cook to nothing. I know me just want to do something.
Saltfish.
Yeah, come on. No, come here for me alone, guys. A long time me I work and I come in a party. And me can't come to nothing. Me just come to something now. Me get the saltfish and roast yam. You think I tell me I come curry?
Man.
No, please give my brother me income. Party, and I tell me I work and I try hard in my life, you know. And I know me a butter and I come in now. Just come to something now. So, Corey, after all, how was it?
Very beautiful. Get some ice.
Uncle Murphy? How was the food?
Food delicious, man.
All right, Barry. I'm kind of sitting there veranda, yeah.
This is piece of roast yam.
Yes. That's the back.
Yeah, it's at the
And
back
show
of
them
it.
the front. This is a piece of
This is
yellow
front.
yam.
Ah,
Yeah.
yellow yam.
And you're drinking a little aerated water. Korea, we can't see you. Where you there? You're drinking. Where you drinking? Yeah, eat piece of aerated yam. Corey, what one for the yam? Show them your plate. No more. Corey, you move on for the second. Yes, Corey. And your mouth must shine like young boss when you eat this.
No, my boss not heavy.
I never say your boss. I say your mouth have to shine like your boss when you eat them. Because the butter supposed to be around your mouth, you know. And you know, so we don't want the coconut tile. The like for real coconut tile. And the custard. Corey, what about that something today?
Judgment, well, wife and jump.
Well, we have the coconut tile, the custard and the coconut tile and the saltfish. Raw saltfish. Don't stop.
Where?
Then we not better talk to nobody.
You know what?
Sure, yellow people, man.
Yellow.
From God send man, we coming at 4 o'clock. I know we just as here, but me know you have your different bush.
Yellow.
And all of them something there. Jesus God. I do any yam. I saw we are going to stay show. We are roast yam and saltfish and it done. I rain, make we see you, you know. You know, say if I never rain, we won't see you do. How we don't go in. Lord Jesus. I wonder if I saw for when them go look show.
It's the right time too.
Yeah.
If you don't
Then you know, so we roast peas.
if you don't sweat back.
Yeah. Roast piece. Hey, that alone at £10, you know, sure. Feel them. Feel the other piece. In carrying scale come, brother.
What about it?
100. I think it's reasonable right now. Yeah. So, the lady will send that for you, she said. Her name is Charmaine. Boshu, come get some yam parry. Oh, yam tissue. Then I know for we yam, you know. I know for we yam yet. Yeah. So the lady, her name is Charmaine, and she sends you some money. Workman and knock. She say if you buy yourself some tools, whatever you want. So you can tell her thanks. Her name is Charmaine.
Yeah,
and another first, she bless you.
Yeah. Thank you very much, Charmaine.
Yeah. And Paris, let me tell you, Charmaine is the same person that is in need of the kidney. And she's is not the first. She has blessed Corey. We never call her name, but me ask her specifically this time because she has been, you know, so many times. And her mommy, Charmaine and her mommy, and she has been blessing Boshu. And no, you know, so I ask her specifically if I can make Boshu tell her thanks and call her name. Charmaine, big up yourself, bless. Yeah. She has sent Boshu some money and say must buy some tools that he want to buy. So sure?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Big up, Charmaine.
Yeah.
Very much.
Yeah, bless up to Charmaine. Bless up your mommy.
Yeah. Bless up your mommy, please.
Yeah. And show her eat some real, but the saltfish done. But butter there, you know, show. But the yam get cool. Yeah. Oh, you know, want the grease pan in his stomach. Yeah. So look at more sinners to me, boy. That about him, I look for me tomorrow. You know, come here, see them beside tomorrow. Yeah, come. We all go over Gully. We go see the one going over there. So, and we carry all vegetable seed. We go dig up land and plow. And you for sure we all do it. We not plant. You would have.
No.
Eh? Terrence have them.
No,
Me no know. Me no know we that wait for you for come for sure we can plow up